In the intricate tapestry of our biological symphony, there exists a silent yet indispensable hero, working tirelessly to maintain equilibrium and wellness. This unsung champion is none other than saliva, nature's pH balancer. With its pH delicately poised between 6.2 to 7.6, saliva transcends mere moisture. It embodies a vigilant guardian, safeguarding oral health with unparalleled finesse. As we revel in the freshness of a smile, let us pause to acknowledge the profound contribution of saliva.
It began at the beginning, where I stood